Hey, what's up guys? It is Golden Era Auctions here, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how much you can make selling a case of Prizm retail on Whatnot. I'm not referring to a sealed case, but rather one that you can rip yourself. Before we do that, please make sure to like this video, comment down below who is your biggest chase in 2024 Prizm retail, and also make sure to subscribe. We are very close to 1,000 subscribers. When we hit that number, we will be giving away NFL Blaster box. It will be to a random subscriber. Please make sure to subscribe. We're really close to 1,000. But without further ado, let's say you have a case of Prizm and you really want to open it. Let's see how much you can make with the singles if you were to go on and sell them on Whatnot. So in this video, we have top-loaded singles. These are ones that probably range between $2 to $10. We have a stack of one-touched ones. These were the biggest hits. We will get to those soon. And then in the back is base or random discos of like stars or not the best rookies, things like that. And then that's like pure base, no sleeves on those. But off the rip, we'll look at the pure base. I'm not going to go through every base card. We'll probably say maybe we'll sell lots of them, maybe get $5 for a huge quantity of them to anyone who's trying to put the set together. We also have a little bit of the Prizm draft retail from a mega box. These are a couple reds of some of the worst players. We'll say $2 or $3 for those. So we're at about $10 right now. Those are the sleeved rookies and veteran players. We'll say $20 for all those. This is just discos. Guys like Kyle Hamilton, those cards will sell if you're streaming on Whatnot. You probably will have to do lots of them, so maybe 5 to 10 of them together at one time. So far, our running total is probably about $30 here. And then I will go through the hits that we have from the rest of the case. This wasn't a complete case. This was like, I think 15 boxes. We did find some at, where was it? Barnes & Noble, but we didn't want to take them all. I think they had 2 cases of them. So on Whatnot, you can do really well with veteran players, guys that are highly sought after who may not have a ton of cards, like Fred Warner here. These are the type of cards that you can get $2 to $5 for in your stream. Guys like Dan Marino. Really like the way the orange disco looks. Nick Chubb. Rookies of big teams like KC. I mean, Jaden Hicks, not the best player in the world or anything, but of course the Prizm quarterbacks. I think 1 out of every 2 boxes does have a patch. All the patches are of good rookies. You got Blake Corum, Michael Penix, JJ, Drake May, Brian Thomas Jr., Ladd, Zay Flowers, Michael Pratt. We were cursed with a ton of Michael Pratt, unfortunately. Maybe he'll do something one day, but I believe he is a 3rd string in Green Bay, so nothing crazy there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 15 cards in this stack. I would say with the patches, the Prizm rookies of the more desirable quarterbacks like JJ, Michael Penix, probably average, I'd say $6 a card. Obviously, these ones are lower. Penix, JJ, those are $10 to $20 cards. 6 times 15 is 90. So I guess that's even better. This is a $90 stack here. So we said 30 back there, 90 here. That is 120 so far. So let's look at this next stack of colored veterans here. You got guys like Stroud, Adams, some decent rookies there. I would say this stack, we'll probably get $1.50, $2 a card. There's 11 cards here. So we'll say another $20. That'll put us at 140 so far. We spent about $600 on everything. Obviously, if you're looking to resell lower to mid-end singles, ripping isn't the best way to do it. I mean, you know, ripping isn't the best. You can hit huge. That's the upside of a set like Prizm if you're getting a Jaden Silver. But after your rip, rather, instead of having a bunch of singles, if you want to be able to sell them, that's what this is more alluding to here. So let's see what else we got in this stack. These are more top-loaded ones. You got Tua, Will Shipley, Isaiah Pacheco, Dayron Bland. We got a ton of Michael Pratt. We opened a lot of packs that had Washington rookie on the back, and it was always Ben Sonoy. I think we have 3 Ben Sonoy, or Sonoy, however you say it, orange discos. But these are the hits out of those. Again, not everything is like a big-time hit, but cool veterans, things like that. People are always looking for singles of those guys. Brock Bowers, Rome Odunze patch, a nice Bo Nix fireworks. We did hit one red SSP parallel. It was Andre Ware, veteran quarterback of the Lions. I would say this is about in the middle of what you can get some current players who maybe aren't the best. Of course, you can get some huge ones like Jaden Daniels, Mahomes, things like that. Andre Ware was a well-liked guy, good player. I would say this is a $15 card if you make it a buy it now. The veteran silvers are going crazy right now. I know we do have a couple guys like Mahomes coming up in the top loaded section. Those are like $20, $25 cards right now. A Jaden base Prizm, Rome Odunze, Keon Coleman, Leggett, another Odunze. Joe Milton really lit it up on Sunday. Good to see Jim Harbaugh, Bucky Irving. I don't know how happy Pats fans are that he played so well, but when you lose the number one pick, it probably doesn't feel great. But so we got about 30 cards here, 25 to 30. This is one of the better stacks. I think we'd make probably about $100 to $120 on this stack. You got the patches of guys like Odunze, Brock Bowers. You got a Bo Nix, the red. I would say a little more actually. I'm going to go 130 for the stack here. So our running total was 120, 130 plus. That's 250. And let's keep going here. So this is more Prizm. We'll get into some of the draft stuff as well. Got some more base rookies. I love Mike Evans. Think his cards are undervalued. More rookies. Cooley McKinstry. Fun player. Another Malik Neighbors patch. Joe Alt. Linemen are always good grower cards. Like, you buy them, he plays there for 20 years, and suddenly, they're worth 3 times more what you purchased them for. Here's some of that draft stuff. These megas were really fun to open. Julian Sayin is going to be a huge quarterback for Ohio State next year. Blake Corum, JJ, Brian Thomas, just a lot of fun players there. About 20 cards in this stack here. $3 a piece, I think, is what we'll get. So we will say another $60 for that stack. That puts us at $310. A lot of cool veterans come out of this set. You got Bo, Malik, Jerry Jeudy, Randy Moss. You get one numbered. We got Keyshawn Johnson numbered out of 49. That was a nice looking flash. People love Max Crosby cards. He doesn't have a ton of cards, especially from his first couple years. He's one of the Raiders, if not their most popular player. We got a Penix Red Ice. I think it's another $3 per card stack, about 15 cards here. We'll say another $40. Even took a few dollars off there. That puts us at approximately close to $400 now with what we've shown so far. So let's keep rolling here. We got all the one-touched cards. These were the bigger hits out of the boxes. This was the big one. As of this recording, this is about a $90 to $110 card. Caleb Williams Orange Disco. Prices are always a bit higher when a set first drops. Malik Neighbors Orange. A silver Prizm Keon Coleman. He's going to be a beast. A silver Mahomes. These veteran silvers are going crazy right now. Saquon. We got a Lad McConkey. Jalen McMillan had a great game the other day. That's the variation. And another orange disco Lad McConkey. So all in all, let's review these real quick. I would estimate this would add another, and this is a very conservative estimate, another $150 to $200 to our total. The Caleb is the chunk, and then Malik, the Lads, those are other $15, $20 cards. Some great young receivers there. So we got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're going to add another 150 to our running total here. So back to our main question. Can you make a profit if you're selling close to a full case of Prizm retail on Whatnot? You can get pretty close. And that doesn't sound like the best proposition. To be able to chase some of the huge players like Silver, Jaden's, Bo Nix, really any of the quarterbacks, and to still get a ton of cool cards of some of the receiver rookies, things like that, I think it's not the worst idea. If you want to check out our other videos related to Whatnot, how to build up your Whatnot channel, please check out our other videos. We have probably 5 videos exclusively about Whatnot, another 10 to 15 related to sports cards in general. So please check those out. Guys, make sure to subscribe as well. Comment down below who you're chasing out of this set. We're really close to 1,000. Giving away an NFL blaster when we get there. And use that link down below as well. All new Whatnot customers do receive $15 off their first purchase. So if you can hit that link, it'll take you to Whatnot. Fantastic website there. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review and calculation of 2024 Prizm football. And we will see you guys later.